Greetings and welcome to this comprehensive news breakdown. Right now, we focus on the widening internal rifts within Uganda's oldest political organization, that's the Democratic Party, DP. Tensions have escalated following recent media briefings by DP Vice President Fred Mukasa Mbidde regarding the leadership of Party President General Norbert Mao. Addressing the media, Honorable Mukasa Mbidde clarified his stance on internal friction, emphasizing that his friction with leadership is purely institutional rather than individual. I don't have any personal issues with Mao. The issues I have are concerning the party, Mbidde stated. He underscored that his ongoing consultative tours are aimed at addressing structural frameworks and navigating the transition as the party seeks a successor for its top position. Despite challenging the current administrative direction, Mbidde formally dismissed rumors of a total political fallout or defection. He stated, "I don't want to dissociate myself from Honorable Mao." He maintained that political dissent regarding the controversial NRM cooperation agreement should not be misconstrued as personal anonymity, affirming that a long-standing brother within the DP.
You seem to have made a decision that you want to completely deassociate with the Honorable Mao.
No, I want his support. He is not returning for president of the party, and I am a part of the team that are vying, because what I'm doing, we are creating a panel of possible replacements
of Mao.
This time chetwagala
Shifting focus to broader national governance, Mbidde also shared his perspective on today's State of the Nation address at Acholi ceremonial grounds. The DP Vice President outlined key areas he believes the President must urgently address, focusing on economic resilience, systemic corruption, and local value addition to stabilize fluctuating community revenues. As the 12th Parliament officially opens its new session today, the dual dynamics of national economic reporting and DP's internal succession battles remain critical focal points. We will continue to track these developments. If Mao reply, and thank you for subscribing. I'm your anchor, bringing you the facts as they unfold.